What is up, YouTube? MOTOBLADE here. Today I'm going to talk about channel updates, some new stuff that's going to be coming out, and I want to request some feedback from you guys on the channel. So stick around, I'll get to all that after the intro. Well guys, I am trying to beat the storms rolling in down here in South Tennessee. They should be here in about half an hour, and there's some pretty violent stuff coming, but I haven't been riding for a week for rain and or other reasons. Work, school, it sucks. So I had to get a little bit of a ride in and talk to you guys about some new stuff that's coming up on the channel, and I want to get a little feedback from you guys as well. So the most exciting update I have is I got a drone. So I got the drone and I've been trying to figure out how to make it follow me on the motorcycle. Not out on like a public roadway, but just around a parking lot. And I think I've almost got that part done. So there's going to be some cool drone shots that I will be attempting to incorporate into my upcoming videos. The coolest thing I think about this little drone is it's the DJI Mavic Air. And I will throw a link to that down in the description if you guys want to go check it out. But it is so cool because it fits in my saddlebag. I mean, honestly, the drone itself fits in my pocket. It is so freaking tiny when it folds up. And it shoots 4K video, totally stabilized. It's just awesome. So I'll throw a link to that in the description if you guys want to go check it out. But that's my new photography equipment that's going to be hopefully a benefit to this channel in upcoming videos. Secondly, my subscriber count is getting up to around 750, which you guys are awesome. Like over this past week, it's just taken off, it seems. The jump from 650 up to 750 has been really quick, and I appreciate that. And you guys know I'm doing a little giveaway of a Cycle Gear gift card when I hit 1,000 subscribers. If you guys don't know about that already, go check out that video on my channel where I talk about how to enter the Cycle Gear gift card giveaway. And finally, I want to just ask you guys, what do you want to see in upcoming videos? I have ideas for more motovlogging videos, but you guys have been a great fan base and you give feedback, and you know, we talk in the comments every week. And so I want to hear from you guys. Is there a question you have on the Vulcan that I could address in a video? I may even do a video of just subscriber requests. So if you guys have questions or something you'd like me to show on camera about the bike that you have a question on specifically, let me know down in the comments. Give me some ideas and let me know what you'd like to see, because at the end of the day, I'm here for you guys because you are what makes my channel grow. And I appreciate all the feedback you guys continue to give on the channel. It's been super helpful, and it's helped this community to grow. Oh, I hate roundabouts. There we go. I want to just mention quickly that I'm going to be heading up to the Smokies later this spring. My goal is to ride the Tail of the Dragon up there, and probably several other nice national park or state forest land roadways. And if you guys have ever been up that way and you've done that ride yourself, let me know about that down in the comments, how it went. I'd love to hear some feedback from people who have gone and ridden specifically the Tail of the Dragon, and let me know how that was, anything I should know about, safety concerns, what I should bring along, if anything. So if you guys could let me know about that down in the comments, I would greatly appreciate that info as well. So that's going to do it for this short video, guys. I appreciate the feedback. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Also, subscribe to the channel. You guys know the whole drill there. And until next time, y'all, be careful out there. Ride safe, ride on. And I will catch you all later. Deuces.